In my previous video, I showed you how you could use NCDU to find out what is eating up your disk space. So after using this for a while, I found out there are so many kind of shortcuts that you could use with this very tool, but there are 10 of them that I think are the most useful, which you will find that you will be using quite often while using this very tool. I'm going to show you some of these shortcuts. So after scanning, you can use the up and down arrow to move through different folders and files that you have in the Linux machine, as you can see. So once you find the file or directory that you're looking for, you can just hit enter. When you hit enter, it opens that very directory for you, which you can navigate through as well. These very three keys that I showed you now are the foundations of using this very tool. So you will find that you'll be using them quite often. So now imagine after scanning the Linux machine and you found so many folders and you are not sure like where to start. The best thing is to do is to sort the directories by size. To do that, what you need to use is the letter S. When you use the letter S, you will find that everything will be sorted by size, making it easier for you to work with the tool. There are times you already know the folder you're looking for. However, you want to sort them alphabetically. To do that, what you use is the letter N. So once you use the letter N, you will find that everything is sorted out for you alphabetically. Sometimes Linux storage disappear into hidden directories, so making it difficult for you to identify where they are. So in order to find such folders, what you need to do is to use the letter A. When you use the letter A, you will see that all of those things, everything would appear in the normal view. There are times that numbers are not enough, and you want to see the percentage in graph, for example. In that case, what you need to do is to use the letter G. Once you press it, as you can see, it toggles. So it also makes it easier for you in that way to see these things in percentages, as you can see here. You might also want to see folders that contain huge amount of smaller files, for example. In that case, what you need to do is to use the uppercase letter C. So when you use this, you are going to find folders that also contain huge amount of smaller files. As you can see, I'm using the big letter C to toggle this. Sometimes you cannot remember some shortcuts. So do not close the program and go to Google. You can easily find this by using the question mark. I'm going to show you. When I press question mark, as you can see, it shows you some of the shortcuts that are very useful. And this feature actually is like one of my most favorites. So from here, you can see all the things that you could do using this very tool. For example, using D, you can delete the selected file or directory. Using G, you can show the percentage and or graph, which was what I showed you earlier. When you are done using this very screen, all you need to do is to press the letter Q. Now it takes us back to the last screen where we were. So these are some of the most common shortcuts of this very tool NCDU, which I promised in the previous video that I was going to show you. So I hope that you found it helpful. So leave me some comment in the field and remember to subscribe. Now let me leave the screen by using the letter Q again, and then letter Q again to go back to the main screen. Thank you for watching.